Welcome to another Spatial Analysis Lab how-to video. Today we're going to be covering when you get a link and you need to sign in. And so someone has sent me this link, ArcGIS. It's a little bitty. So when I press enter, it's going to ask me to sign in. And typically when you get this, it's going to elevate the ArcGIS login. You actually don't want that if you're signing into an organizational account like we do at University of Richmond. So I'm actually going to snap this up and I'm going to click on the organizational URL. And I'm going to type all lowercase U Richmond. Don't let it autocorrect to Richmond. It will send you to a California site. If you are using your own computer, remember this URL and press continue. You should get this with the familiar logo and you press this blue bar button. It goes to the banner site. That's how you know you've done it right. And you type in your regular user ID and network password. Press login, and now you are logged in and can see the link that someone has sent you. Thanks for watching.